Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add Spotify to OBS. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on OBS. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open Spotify on your computer. Once you do that, go ahead and in your OBS, go ahead and click on add scene. Then go ahead and name it any name that you want. For example, I'm going to name it window and then click on OK. And as you can see, guys, now we have window right here. So in my current scene, I'm going to sources. Then right here in sources, go ahead and click on add a source. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find a lot of options. Application audio captures, audio input capture, audio output, browser, and so on. So right here, go ahead and search for window capture. Then go ahead and click on it. You can either create new or add an existing. So I'm going to click on create a new, then name it Spotify. Once you do that, go ahead and click on OK. And then go ahead and search for your Spotify window. So it needs to be opened in the background like this. Then click right here. So we're going to do it again. Right click on properties. Then once you click on properties, right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find your Spotify window. Click on it, then click on OK. And as you can see, guys, now we added Spotify. You can also hide it or unhide it by clicking right here. And you can also hide or unhide your display capture. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.